Hello guys, how's it going today? Meeting you from Ibiza, enjoying the amazing nightlife here, of course, the absolutely stunning beaches and the view, and of course the weather, which is fucking hot, okay? It is ridiculous here. So in this video today that I'm hopefully going to record later in the hotel room, I'll give you a quick tour on that as well. I'm going to talk about some of the real world situations you actually go through when you're trying to do Amazon FBA, and a lot of the stuff people don't really talk about is like when you actually earn that passive income and you don't need to go to work and you don't need to kind of do these things, what kind of stuff are you going to experience just working from home, and just the day-to-day struggles of working from home, being like completely passive and making money while you're away. I'm in, like, obviously I said I'm in Ibiza right now on holiday and I'm still making money, and that is the key to financial freedom, and that's how you're going to create wealth. So I'll see you in the video. So guys, just another thing to kick this video off before we properly get into it and the content in the next little bit. I just want to show you something just for a little, hopefully, motivation about being here in Ibiza and just about Amazon FBA. So if we just have a quick look at this, okay? If I just get the camera here. So I've already loaded up my Seller Central onto my phone. Hope that focuses a bit more. I think you can probably see it anyway. So £1,635 in the last 7 days, around like £55 today so far, and that's down 30% from the last 7 days, okay? So if I was going like refresh that, damn, it would have been good if I had another sale then, but unfortunately not. It does say communication, but just nothing. But if I refresh that again, it'll probably go away. Yep, it's gone. So okay, it's back again. I have to check that after the video, but down 30% from the last 30 days. Obviously, we've had some like low days here, probably because I haven't been checking my PPC campaigns as much as I should have, which is obviously just like my fault from being in Ibiza, not looking at it as much as I should have. But I can go on top of that and sort it out in a couple of minutes, just tweak it, add some things, change a thing, lower some bids, and do all that stuff. Obviously, PPC is my favorite thing, most technical thing, and it's the thing that I think I spent the most time on and I'm best at in Amazon FBA above everything else. So just having showed you that, guys, and having gone through that after I set the camera up, I hope you enjoy this video, just adding like some, hopefully, just a bit of credibility. Obviously, that's not all profit. I want to say maybe anywhere from 29 to 34% margins, depending on what I'm testing with my PPC, depending on like how much I'm bidding for certain keywords, depending on what I'm testing, what I'm trying to find, what I'm trying to rank for, how I'm trying to manipulate my keywords to get different things. I'm always messing with my PPC. It's been months and months and months, but PPC is a long game, and I'm aiming for those less than 1% ACOSs, okay? And if I can get them for broad phrase and match, that is what I'm aiming for. So it does take a while, but that's my thing that I want to focus on. That's my main thing that I love to do. So hope you enjoyed the rest of this video, guys, especially after seeing that. Let's get into it. Hello guys, how's it going? Back in the hotel room now. So hot outside, and just when you come away on a holiday like this, it really makes you reflect and kind of just think over things, and it's really put a lot of stuff in perspective for me personally about where I want to go, where I want to take my businesses, and how I want to live my life and what I really want to achieve. So before we get in this video, I'll just give you a quick little look around the room. So obviously there is like just a little balcony outside. It's got an alright view, but I can't bother to go out there now. And then obviously got a little chair there, nice little room, big like TV on the wall. I'm not going to show you the rest of it at the minute because I think it's a bit of a mess. But yeah, nice little like apartment thing there. All completely funded by Amazon FBA, by the way. There's no, obviously I do personal branding, but you all know the YouTube channel is small, the Facebook group is relatively small. I make more on Amazon than I do for my personal brand, so this is all Amazon FBA funded, guys. So I just want to set that clear from like just straight away that I've afforded this holiday and I've been able to come over and pay for it all with my girlfriend, all from Amazon FBA, okay? And I'm sure that's what a lot of you are looking to do. And I know a lot of you always wonder that if the people you're watching are just affording this stuff by their personal brands or by like Amazon FBA and what they're actually teaching. But I can assure you, this is all from Amazon, okay? And this really is what possible, like even just selling in the UK. So just something I want like everyone to understand, that it's nice coming on holiday like this. It's nice doing these things. It's nice being able to come out any time of the year and have this financial freedom, not have to go to work, not have to do these things. But people don't really think about what that actually entails, okay? And what I mean by that is, like, are you a people person? Do you enjoy the company of other people? I've had to work before. I've had to like go to work before. I have had jobs, and yeah, I know like the work is shit. It's not very fun. You don't enjoy like going to work for the most part, but you see people. You normally have a laugh at work. You gain like just like a social life. You have friends and things like that. And I'm not saying you don't have that when you do like online like businesses and like stuff like Amazon FBA and affiliate marketing, those kind of things. But just you got to think about it. You're going to be home for the majority of the day working just on your laptop, and it can be quite lonely. It can be quite a lonely life, just working like just from the internet. Everything you do is online. So when you do eventually quit your jobs, you've got to like you just think about the actual what that entails is being home a lot more. Of course, like I go out all the time and I still like meet people, and you can network with people about like online business, which I've done through my personal brand and things like this. But it's just something to think about, that when you don't have a boss and when you don't have colleagues and things like that, you don't have people you go in and meet every single day. And even if you are working doing something you don't like doing, you're still meeting people. You're still getting that social interaction that you don't get as much of, and you miss as like an online entrepreneur, that you just don't see people as much. And is that something you're going to miss? Is that something you're going to be able to cope with? Obviously, I expect many of you will still like see people that you meet from work and your friends and things, but it is a lot more lonely, okay? And like just on that exact same point, that working from home, or like even like working from Ibiza like I am now, that yes, I'm in Ibiza and I'm on holiday, but that doesn't mean like work stops. Like everyone else here, like probably they're obviously not going to work. They've stopped their jobs and things like that. I don't like stop working. I'm still messaging people in the group. I still have students. I still have all these things. So there is kind of like a sacrifice you've got to go for as well. That probably not so much with Amazon FBA because it's completely passive. But if you want to get to that next level and you want to go full on into entrepreneurship and you want to get to that next level, I think there's a thing from Gary Vee. I don't know if he like invented this or not, but if you want to live like the 99, or no, if you want to live like the 1% of the world, then you've got to work like that 1%. So I don't think it's as easy as people like maybe think it is, just like living from home, working from home. Just if you think about it in like facts, that say people always say I want to go on holiday and I want to like stop work. If you said to someone, right, you don't have to work ever again in your entire life, you can stay home and do whatever you want, after 6 months, they're going to be bored out of their minds, okay? So you just need to like always try and keep yourself busy. And I know Amazon is super passive, but sometimes that can be the worst thing of it as well, as it is so passive. You want to be doing stuff. You want to be stuck at home doing nothing. So just something for you guys to think about. And like moving on from that point, being at home all the time, just on like by yourself and just working for yourself, the biggest thing that everyone needs to understand, if they want to gain that financial freedom and like really have money coming in from Amazon FBA, is accountability, okay? If you don't have a boss, you don't have someone hiring, you don't have even like just people working around you, edging you on and like working with each other, like masterminds and like mentors, working with people to push you to that next level, you don't want to get like complacent or bored. Or if your goal is to make 1,000 a month or 2,000 a month, when you've hit that, you want to like just push yourself to go to the next level and the next level and the next level. You don't want to get complacent with what you've had. You want to keep pushing yourself and pushing it. You don't want to give up. You don't want to get the first hurdle, have a problem, and then stop. So I know that I like work from home. I don't need to go for a job or anything, but that doesn't mean that you can just get up at 2 o'clock every single day and then work for an hour here, an hour there, like work just like still in bed, like literally not do anything, okay? Because you're just not going to get that momentum. You're not going to be in like the work mind frame. I know personally what I like to do is when I like get up in the morning, I still like to dress as if I was going to go to work and sit at the exact same place, and that is my work area. That's where I get work done. If you sit at like the kitchen table, if you sit in bed and do work, if you sit just on the sofa in your front room, I don't personally think you're going to get as much work done. You're not going to be as focused as if you have a designated time and a place, okay? You need to set these things. Even if you staying in the house doesn't work for you, go find a coffee shop, go find just a cafe with internet. Go somewhere where you know you're going to work and you're going to focus, because in the house there's so many distractions. You've got your TV, you just connected to the internet at all. You've got YouTube, Facebook, and all these things that constantly trying to draw your attention and like take you away from what you're doing. You can't get distracted. You need to hold yourself accountable and do the work that you have to do, okay? And these are just some of the things I want you guys to understand about being like online and not having to go for a job. That there are downfalls of that people don't really consider, and these are some of the things you have to think about if this is the route that you want to take. So that kind of does it for this quick video from the hotel room. I don't want to spend too long on this, guys, because obviously on holiday I want to get out and enjoy it. I might be doing a travel vlog for the next video. I'm not too sure yet. See how it goes. Like did buy the other day a DJI mobile Osmo 2, I think it is, so it will be pretty good to film with that. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I will see you all in the next one.